Again move on with area related to the circle. I'll be taking up a question again. This one is a long answer type question under the CBSE pattern. If you see, let me just write down this question. The cost of planting grass in a circular park at a rate of rupees 490 per square meter is rupees 24,640. A path of uniform weight, that could have actually been continued with that writing, but it's okay. A path of uniform weight runs around. We'll draw the figure so it will be quite clear what to do to solve the question. Around the park, runs around the park. The cost of graveling this path, the path, and the rate is given at a rate of rupees 3.50 per square meter is rupees 3696. Find the cost of fencing the path, quite a long one I see, on both sides at the rate of rupees 2.10 per meter. So it says there is a cost of planting grass on a circular park. There is also, it says, a path of uniform width runs around this. I just assume this to be the uniform path. The cost of graveling this path is given. That means this is the grass area. This is the grass area, and graveling will be here, and the grey portion. So I take this as small r and the long outer one as capital R. This is capital R and this is small r. See, the area of inner circle, which is the grass part, is given. No, it is not given. It says that this part is given. It says at the rate of 4.90 that area is planted with grass, and that costs 24,640. That means area, inner area, that's the green area. The green area at a rate of 4.90 should be giving us 24,640. That means the green area or area of the inner circle can be written as 24,640 by 4.90. That's giving us, that means area of the inner circle, that is pi r square is equal to, now I can remove the decimal by multiplying 100 here, 490, and so pi is there. I can just say r square is now 22 by 7 if I have replaced it. So 24640 into 100 into 7, that will come to the right side if I move pi. So it is 490 into 22. If you solve this part, it will be giving us some 1600. So R is 40 meter. So the small r is now calculated to be 40 meter. We also need to find out the capital R. Okay. What is next information given? The cost of graveling the path. Again we do the same thing. So the area of the path, I write here, area of the path will be 3696 divided by 3.50. How do we find area of the path? Area of the path is area of the outer, the red circle, minus area of the green circle. Sorry, the blue one. So it is pi capital R square minus pi small r square is equal to this. Now this, if I calculate, becomes 369600 by 350. That's giving me some 1056. I continue here. So if I take pi common, it will be capital R square minus small r square. The small r we calculated to be 40, so that makes it 1600 is equal to 1056. Pi is again 22 by 7. So r square is equal to 1056 into 7 by 22, and then 1600 will move to this side, so that makes it 336 plus 1600. I'm getting it as 1396. So r is root over of 1936, 44. So the capital R is 44 meter. We have to find the cost of fencing. Okay, that means we have to find the circumference of this circle, because that is where we will be fencing in. So that's given by 2 pi r. Let me write it here itself. 2 pi r at a rate of 2.10. So it is 2 into 22 by 7 into r. If you see, the longer one for the fencing part is 44 into 2.10. Once you calculate, it says cost of fencing on both sides. Oh, this is for the outer side, so, and for the inner also the same cost. So it is 22 by 7 into the inner one will be 40, again 2.10. You'll get a value here, so that's I'm getting, let me just calculate, I'm getting that as 2 into 44 into 2.10, 44 into 2.10 by 7. I'm getting 580.8. Also you could have, added them together as a formula and then started doing it. So it's 44 into 40 into 2.10 divided by 7 is again giving me some 528. If I add, I'm getting it as 1108.20. So that will be your answer. 1108.80 is the cost of fencing this on both the sides of the circular path. Let's take up another question. Not as difficult, maybe not that difficult though, not that long question maybe. Let me just draw the figure. I'll need my own drawing, then I'll write the question. That will be more helpful. I'll erase this part to get the correct picture. This is the figure given. This is O, this is A, that's B, and this is P. Let me now write down the figure. It says OAPB is a sector of a circle of radius 3.5 centimeter with the center at O, and it says angle AOB is equal to 120 degree. Find the length of OAPBO. That means we have to find OA, then this, and then the circumference part which is there in the figure. Now this is given to be 120, so the rest of this part is obviously 240. So let us first find this length of the circumference which is given. So it will be, the radius is given to be 3.5. okay, so it is the radius. Okay, now it is theta by 360 into 2 pi r. So that part we need is only 240 by 360. I'm only finding out the curvish part, of the part of the circle. It is 2, it is 22 by 7. 3.5 can be written as 7 by 2. Why I did is, then 7 would get cancelled, 2 would get cancelled. That becomes calculation easier. So that's making it 44 upon 3. This is about, the circular part. We also have this OA and OB, which are R plus R, that makes it 2R. So 2 into again R, which is given by 7 upon 2. It is 7 centimeters. So that if you add both of them, we will get it. So it is 44 upon 3 plus 7. That's giving me some 44 plus 21. So it is 65 upon 3. If I keep it in mixed fraction, I'll be left with a 21 2 by 3 centimeter. Hope you understood it well. Thank you.